Welcome to this tutorial regarding parametric skeletal modeling in Inventor. We're just going to create a standard part here first and select rectangle. Create the rectangle using simple click and drag. And usually we're at this point we would apply dimensions and just input them accordingly directly into the toolbars. We're just going to do things slightly different this time, and we're just going to open up an Excel sheet. Now in this Excel sheet in column A here, we're just going to enter the different specifications, the parameters of the drawing in Inventor. So down the left hand side column, in column A, we always put the name of the parameter itself. In column B then, we can put the actual size in millimeters, and we save this drawing. Reverting back to the Inventor drawing again, we go to Manage, Parameters, and then create a link between the Excel file that we just created and this Inventor drawing. So we just select the Excel file, go into your folders, and then just select the file, and we can link the two together. So now Inventor is just calculating the parametrics involved, and we can click Done. At this stage now, the two are linked together. So basically, if we go back to Sketch again, click on Dimension, click one side of the rectangle, then the other side. An arrow on the right hand side of the Dimension toolbar is available. So if we just click that there, you'll notice that just coming out of this now, there is actually a list of parameters. So we can pick the one that's concerned, which is the width. The opposite way here, do the exact same thing again. Pick the length. Just zoom out now, we can actually see the actual frame itself of the rectangle. Just finish this sketch there now as well. When the next thing we're going to do is just basically apply parameters to the extrusion. So just click on Extrude, list parameters, and now I want to actually select the thickness of the component itself, and this will be parametrically driven as well from the Excel sheet. So I'm just going to click Depth there. Now you can see that the block itself is representative of the specifications in the Excel sheet. Reverting back to the Excel, we can now change the specifications, so this will actually influence the Inventor drawing itself. Save that. Go to Manage and click on Update, and this will update the Inventor drawing now to suit Excel. And now you can see that the whole component, where it's still basically the same, has changed in specifications of size. We can add extra parameters. You can add an indefinite amount of parameters to the Excel sheet. These always be represented then following on in Inventor. We can just widen the column there just to make things a bit easier to see. As you'll notice as well, if you input separate words in Excel, they won't actually correspond correctly through to Inventor. So as you can see in the first instance here, we have center from end, so it's center underscore from underscore end. The next one is center underscore from underscore side. This is very important. Any two separate words or more in Excel won't be transposed onto the Inventor drawing unless they actually have an underscore, plus, a minus, anything to connect the individual characters together. We can now input the size specifications and save that once again. It's always good practice as well to keep saving in Inventor or Excel or any other computer program. It just reduces the amount of the influence of error should anything else kind of happen, or there should be a breakdown in the computer system. It also helps to save your work as well, more importantly. We just create a sketch here now as well. And dimension it accordingly. This time now we've picked the radius of the circle. By zooming in here, we can actually constrain it to the end of the face, and then the side of the face as well. If we finish the sketch, we can create an extrusion now on this part if the need requires. First, I'm just going to modify the actual location, manage, update, and now the circle has moved. To create a fully parametric drawing, I'm just going to enter some extra parameters here. So the length of the tube, input specification, save the Excel, revert back to Inventor, and update the drawing. At this point now, I can go to Model, Extrude, pick the part to be extruded, list parameters, pick the parameter, and OK. Even by this simple final editing, it can be seen the way different products and specifications can be changed to suit required parameters. And this is very important in the furniture industry, where there be a large amount of products, but maybe one core product allows for modular design, and also the adaptation for different processes and requirements by the customer.